Hello everyone, it's Saturday afternoon, 4th of July weekend, and it's 90 degrees out, and it was really sunny, but now these big clouds are showing up. So, I guess I'm not changing those tires now. Look at that one cloud right there. Look at the edge of that cloud. That's above my head. I'm holding the phone directly above my head. See it? It's way brighter than what shows up on here. But yeah, look at black. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go get my kid. I gotta pick him up because, as you may or may not know, he hit a deer with his car and it is totaled. So I'm heading south. All right, bye for now. And oh, I'm melting, okay?